everyone, welcome back. Wish you all a very happy new year, and this is going to be our first video in 2022. So I wanted to share with you small 22 habits that you can build in the year 2022 so that you can lead a fitter and better lifestyle. मैंने पूरी लिस्ट बना रखी है and I did not consciously post this video on 31st या first because I did not want you guys to get overwhelmed. हर कोई resolutions के बारे में बात कर रहा है and setting goals and all of that, so this can be a little overwhelming. I wanted you to take a break, enjoy, and then watch this video so that you can pick and choose whatever falls in your comfortable range and start following. Number one habit, which is very crucial and I want to share with you guys, is start a habit of drinking more water. Sometimes the thing that is very easily approachable and available to us is ignored by us. कभी कभी पानी जैसी सिंपल चीज़ भी हम पीना भूल जाते हैं क्योंकि शायद ये बहुत ज़्यादा अवेलेबल है, इसलिए हमें इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस और इसकी अहमियत पता नहीं होती. I tell each and every person who meets me if they are struggling with weight loss, bloating, gas, constipation, to drink water because it is important for our body to get hydrated. Our body is 70% water, so it is important to build a habit to drink water. Set an alarm जो हर 2 घंटे पे बजेगा, which will say drink water if you tend to forget it, and start practicing this habit from now. Number 2 habit is to follow your circadian rhythm. Now circadian rhythm के बारे में मैं एक बहुत जल्द एक डिटेल वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ, but basically it is routine according to your circadian rhythm. For example, get up early in the morning, sleep between 11-10 p.m. so that you follow a cynical routine for yourself, which is in combination to your circadian rhythm. So eat when you are hungry, drink when you are thirsty. These are things that are actually going to be helping you in maintaining a very good, healthy, long life. So try to do that. For third very important habit is, मैं Instagram पे इसके बारे में बहुत बात करती हूँ, that is increase your movement. So I'm not talking about workout here. It is just your total daily movement. So अपना active to passive ratio बढ़ाइए. For every 1 hour of sitting, try to stand for at least 5 minutes, and you can start from here. Minimum 5,000-6,000 steps is something that you should on an average take on a daily basis, and you are going to see that आपका heart health, आपका digestion, आपका bloating, आपका overall fitness levels में कितना ज़्यादा increase होता है if you follow this one simple step, that is increase your body movement. Number 4 on the list is in combination to your circadian rhythm is to have a sleep schedule. In order to lead a healthy lifestyle, we need to follow some schedules. Just like we have our office schedule, our work schedule, our cooking schedule, in the similar way आपका एक sleep schedule होना चाहिए जिसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें important है. सोने के कम से कम 1 घंटे पहले किसी भी गैजेट का इस्तेमाल ना करें. Try to sleep on a well made up bed. Try to just dimmer the light so that your melatonin starts secreting, which is going to help you in sleeping better. And maybe try to meditate a little. Just try to have a sleep schedule. Read a book if that is what you do enjoy. Sleep schedule also means that you have to get up at the same time every single day. You have to sleep at the same time at every single day, and eventually you will develop a schedule for yourself. You can try from now, and eventually towards the end of 2022 let me know whether this helped or not. Fifth, which is very important thing, is to invest in your health. We often go out in a restaurant. एक रेस्टोरेंट में जाके हम एक बार में 500,000 की चीज़ें खा लेते हैं, पर जो चीज़ें हमारी हेल्थ को इन चेक रखेंगी उसमें हम लोग इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते. नो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट गो मेक हैव अ जिम मेंबरशिप या तो फिर किसी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट को हायर कर लो. नो, नथिंग लाइक दैट. बट यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी योगा मैट, अ गुड पेयर ऑफ शूज, अ स्मार्ट वॉच दैट कैन ट्रैक योर स्टेप्स so that हर वक्त फोन ना लेना पड़े हाथ में. And these are the investments that are going to serve you in the long run, and there is nothing wrong in that. Invest in a digital weighing machine as well, which detects your BMI. So सिर्फ वेट बताने वाली मशीन को आप टाटा बाय बाय कर दो. So these are the little investments, one thing at a time करके आप उसको invest कर सकते हो and make a proper healthy living out of these things. You can invest in dumbbells also later. So these are the investments which I would suggest in your health if you are someone who is looking for starting a better lifestyle in 2020. Number 6, especially if you are a woman, you should hear it. Start strength training right now. If you are someone who has PCOS, if you are someone who is above 40 years of age, if you are someone who has complaints of loose skin after losing a ton of weight, try to start start weight training from now onwards, and this should be your habit of 2022. Weight training doesn't just help in toning down your body but also building more muscle. Eventually, with every decade of a woman's life, their metabolism declines because of lower bone density and lack of muscle. So अगर आप अपनी muscle को build करके रखोगे, आपका overall metabolism भी picked up रहेगा, आपकी body tone रहेगी, and you are going to age slowly and gracefully as well. Number 7, identify your coping mechanism. Now hear me out. It is very important for you to identify what triggers your maybe eating or excessive sleeping or lack of inactivity. कोई भी चीज़ का हम सबका एक coping mechanism होता है. कोई चीज़ें अगर हमको बहुत ज़्यादा sad upset करती हैं तो इधर हम खाना बहुत खाने लगते हैं, या बिल्कुल खाना नहीं खाते, या पूरे दिन सोते रहते हैं, या बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेसिव वर्कआउट करते हैं. सो एनीथिंग विच इज़ एक्सेसिव बिकॉज ऑफ यू बीइंग स्ट्रेस्ड, and if it develops into a habit, it is wrong. Try to identify your coping mechanism and उसको हम change कर सकते हैं. For example, if we are stressed, we can go out for a long walk rather than eating that big पैकेट ऑफ चिप्स, राइट. बट जब तक हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करेंगे तब तक हमें उसके बारे में पता नहीं चलेगा. सो इफ बिंज ईटिंग और एक्सेसिव स्लीपिंग और इनएक्टिविटी इज योर कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म, वी हैव टू चेंज और एक्सचेंज इट विद समथिंग व्हिच कैन सर्व योर बॉडी. Eighth habit that you should develop is listen to your body. We often do not listen to our body. Our brain is very smart. They tend to secrete hormones which give us signals to when we are hungry, when we are thirsty, when we want to sleep. Our serotonin, our melatonin, our ghrelin, our leptin, these are the 4 hormones which are very crucial in having our satiety in check, having our hunger in check, our sleep and our activity in check. But we tend to misjudge it. We don't listen to our body and eventually we end up serving it which it doesn't need. So जैसे अगर आपका पेट भर गया और आपके प्लेट में फिर भी खाना रखा हुआ है, try to listen to your body and try not to finish the entire meal. So listen to your body, sleep when it needs sleep, sleep when it's giving you signals, eat when it is giving you signals, drink water if it is giving you signals, move your body if it is giving you signals. And once you start identifying these signals, you will not need any app to tell you what to do. You will know what to do yourself. 9th healthy habit that you should develop in 2022, which is not just related to weight loss and health, but overall आपकी health and hygiene के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है, is to try to use sustainable things in exchange. I have definitely started using sustainable things, little things which have helped in just my way of contributing to the environment. For example, you can substitute your sanitary pads with menstrual cups. आप प्लास्टिक की straws की जगह पे आप स्टील straws को यूज कर सकते हो, आप टिश्यूज की जगह पे माइक्रोफाइबर क्लॉथ का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. एंड दिस वन हैबिट विल कंट्रीब्यूट अ लॉट टू द नेचर एंड टू आवर मदर अर्थ एज वेल. सो ट्राई टू डू दैट. दीज स्मॉल थिंग्स आर रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू एंड एवरीवन एक्चुअली इन द लॉन्ग रन. 10th habit that you should adapt is to try to add more polyphenols in your diet. So what is polyphenols? All the colored vegetables have this one compound called polyphenols, which is very important for your antioxidants in your body. So quit that expensive tea जिसका आपने ad देखा था Instagram पे और order कर लिया था just because it said that it is going to give you glowing skin and detox your body and healthy clean gut. You can add in colorful vegetables in your plate every single day. At least try to add 3 colors in your plate. It is going to give you polyphenols, which is going to help you in detoxing your body, give you nutrients that you need without adding any medication or supplement. 11th habit that is very important. What is this? I don't know. 11th habit which is very important is to stop comparing yourself from others. Rather, compare yourself with yourself. Compare your previous self with yourself. Do not try to compare yourself with some supermodel because you are never going to get there, because that is their body. You have to listen to your body. You have to listen to your stamina. You have to listen to your overall health and fitness, how much it allows, and eventually you are going to be better, be more confident, feel good about yourself for putting in the effort. So number 12, try to do active listening. हमारी आधी प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो जाएंगी अगर हम अच्छे से सुनेंगे. अक्सर हमारा दिमाग 2-3 हिस्सों में बटा रहता है. हम वहाँ पे मौजूद होते हैं लेकिन हम अच्छे से सुन नहीं रहते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप इस वीडियो को अच्छे से सुनेंगे तो डेफिनेटली इसमें से कुछ निकाल के लेके जाएंगे जो ओवरऑल इवेंचुअली आपको हेल्प करेगी इन सस्टेनिंग अ बेटर लाइफस्टाइल. सो ट्राई टू लिसन केयरफुली, लिसन कॉन्शियसली rather than just listening for the sake sake of it, and you are going to have a solution right then and there maybe. 13, try to have a schedule for yourself. You should have a schedule for your waking up, for your eating, for your drinking, for your exercising, so that you do not say to yourself that I didn't have time, that's why I did not exercise. For example, अगर आपने अपने टाइम को सेट कर लिया है, अपने स्केड्यूल को बना लिया है कि सुबह आपको 9 बजे वर्कआउट करना है, तो चाहे बरसात आए, चाहे आंधी आए, तूफान आए, आपको 9 बजे वर्कआउट करना है. अगर आपने मन बना लिया है कि आपको 8 बजे उठना है या 10 बजे सोना है, you have to stick to the schedule. So try to write down a schedule and it can change from week per week. So ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो आपने स्केड्यूल बनाया वो आपको जिंदगी भर फॉलो करना है. Try to find your comfort zone in your schedule, but make a schedule. Number 14, which is very important for me and I would recommend all of you to do as well, और मैं अपने clients के साथ भी ये करती हूँ कि try to have a deadline for yourself, but a realistic goal. Okay, so for example, if you want to lose maybe 10 kgs in a span of certain time, so you should have a certain time, realistic time in your mind. So try to set deadlines for yourself so that you are accountable to that deadline. अगर आपने अपने मन में ये सोच लिया है कि okay, in 3 months or 4 months I want to lose 10 kgs, it is a very sustainable and smart goal to look at, and you will at the end of 4 months be accountable to yourself that hey, I did set a goal which was realistic. What happened? Why did I not achieve it? To deadlines for your goals so that you are accountable to yourself. 15th goal that you can set for yourself is stop being sorry for yourself. People talk about that I feel bad about myself, I feel pity about the way I look, I feel pity about the way I eat, my eating habits are a mess, my lifestyle is a mess, I look like a mess. Stop being sorry and start doing something from now onwards. If you are not liking what you see in the mirror, try to change it rather than cribbing about it or crying about it, because no one else is going to do it for you. Stop being sorry for yourself, start putting in the work on your body, on your health, on your lifestyle, on your career right now, because no one else is going to do it for you. Number 16th habit that you should develop is try to declutter. हम में से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं who are hoarders, and hoarders actually tend to collect a lot of things and don't try to let go of those things. वो 26 साइज की जीन्स जो आपको एक दिन फिट आने वाली है उसको कलेक्ट करके रख लिया है, या वो शॉपिंग करते वक्त एक ऐसा ड्रेस खरीद लिया है जो which is not fitting you right now and it is sitting in the cupboard and making you upset about it, and still you are not doing anything about it. Rather than that, just declutter your mind, start afresh, and this is a very important task to detox your mind as well. This is what I did on 1st of January, and I did post a story on Instagram about it that I'm going to declutter, so try to do that. 17th habit that you should develop, which is very crucial according to me, is to follow people who are like-minded, follow people who make you believe in yourself than having self-doubts. So if you are someone who gets triggered with a supermodel's body, if you are someone who gets triggered with delicious food all around, or maybe that cake that baker is baking, just unfollow those accounts and follow people who inspire you, who motivate you, who keep a track, who help you keep a track with your health, with your mental and physical health, and it is going to help you, serve you in the long run. Do not follow accounts who do not serve you any purpose in life, and it is going to help you in decluttering your mind. Is to have a self-care routine. So every Sunday I have a self-care routine where I take care of my skin, I take care of my body, I take care of my hair, and this helps in just decluttering my mind as well. So overall, it is important to do these certain things so that your stress levels are down, and it is going to help you in reducing your cortisols as well. So try to take out time, a self-care routine for yourself, which is going to make you happy, make you feel good and better, and it is overall going to just have a positive impact on you. 19th habit that you should develop is to make connections with like-minded people. For example, I am a nutritionist and I do talk to or follow a lot of nutritionists whose thoughts are aligned with my thoughts. So there are tons of nutritionists also in the world, but I follow certain nutritionists on Instagram, and I talk to certain people on Instagram who have like-minded thoughts और उनका approach similar है. उसी तरीके से अगर आपको अपनी health journey, fitness journey start करनी है, so try to make connections with people who like exercising, who like eating clean, who go out to a restaurant, make conscious choices, so that overall your goals will also be aligned with their goals. 20th important habit that you should develop is fix your posture. हम में से कितने लोग हैं जो ऐसे झुक के बात करते हैं या खड़े होते हैं या अजीब तरीके से झुक के इस तरीके से बैठते हैं. Our backbone is going to get hampered. For every 1 inch of our back posture, our hips and our spines bear the weight of 4 kgs. So अगर आपने 1 इंच गलत posture किया है तो आपकी hip and spine पे 4 किलो का वजन बढ़ेगा. So try to fix your posture. Just try to make your shoulders align with your chest, and then make your back sit straight, which is going to help you in the long run in fixing your overall health. Try to do that. आपका cervical का अगर pain है तो वो भी posture की वजह से ही होता है. So try to fix your posture in 2022 and switch on and off your lights yourself. If you're drinking water, go keep the glass in the kitchen yourself. Do not call your help for छोटी-छोटी चीजें. Out walking and try to get that bag of bread if you want that. हम इतनी ज़्यादा convenient routine में बन चुके हैं जिससे हमारा movement बहुत ज़्यादा restrict हो गया है. If you are someone who doesn't have time to work out, this is going to help you in moving your body a little more as well. And number 22, try to love yourself. Love your body for what it is. Do not compare your body with someone else's body. If your body structure is broad, you are never going to be skinny no matter how much you diet. So try to accept your body, have gratitude towards your body. Your body is something that is going to be there for you forever. You have your longest relationship with your body. Express gratitude towards it rather than keep on complaining about it, and try to serve it the way it serves you. Eventually it is going to help you in maintaining a proper health routine for yourself, a relationship which is good for you and your body and your soul. These are the 22 habits that I would definitely build eventually, and I would recommend you to build as well. And let me know towards the end of the year if this video helped you. I think it is going to definitely help a lot of people who are consciously looking for improving their health and lifestyle. With that, I come to the end of this video. I hope it helped you and served you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, signing off, Nutrition Sastra Khan. Goodbye.